Yo, what's up, guys? How's everyone doing? So today I'll be showing you guys how to use Trendline. It's very easy, very simple. It's just like few tips on how to use Trendline. Sometimes you can even use Trendline to like get into the market and make profit. Trendline strategy is very easy. So come on, guys, let's check it out. We are right at the video right now. So this JPP USD, you guys can see market has been selling massively. Unlike gold is still selling so bad, going back down. BTC is so massive. BTC is like around 23,000 or so. So like I said, I have to use trend line. So basically, to use this trend line, you can actually use it like, okay, in the big time frame to like mark out overall trend of the market. Yeah, so somewhere like this, for an example, you can use this way. You can see right here, it just had two touches here. One here and one here before this break here. So basically, you can use this on the lower time frame, like 30 minutes, 1 hour. So let's firstly, sorry guys, before I go to the lower time frame, so let me show you how this works. So if the market is trending this way right now, the market is trending this way in an uptrend, yeah, what you simply need to do to use this trend line strategy, yeah, you just look out for these points like this way. You can use the trend line to you draw from here to here like this. So what this means is, here is point A, B, C. So how this works is, the market will bounce off the trend line, but if you want to use it, you always look out for the third touch on the trend line. Sometimes, yeah, the market will do the first touch, second touch, and on the third touch, it might break it or reverse. So we look out for the trend line, yeah, to use it on the third touch, which means like on the third touch, the market might decide to go up or decide to break the trend line and go down. So each other way, you might definitely get an entry using the trend line strategy. So the same way, if the market is trending down like this, the downtrend like this, you can just use the trend line strategy the same way. Or the downtrend, the downtrend. This is the first touch. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. On the third touch, you look out for buy or sell. Also, the market can do this in an uptrend. If it's trending up, this is coming down to be the third touch. Then you already have your trend line marked out. Yeah, the market might come to this third touch and break it. Once it breaks it, it will always want to retest it before going back down. Sometimes it will break it, but still go back to respect the trend line. So when the market is coming to the third touch, you have to be very careful. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to just, okay, because the market is coming to this third touch, let me place a buy, stop loss here, take profit, next high. No, you have to wait for it. Look out for confluences before you enter. Look out for candlestick confirmations before you enter. So example of this, Now let's go to the chart here to get an example of how this stuff works. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame, yeah. Okay, okay. Let me check 30 minutes. I'm not seeing any one yet. So let me check 30 minutes. Boom, guys. Sorry. So yeah, guys, we have one here. So let's take it out like this. So you just have to note something here. When you want to use the trend line, there's something important here. Is either you're drawing from the week to the next week of the candle this way. You can see, sorry, you can see here the first touch is on the wick of the candle. The second touch was here. Then the third touch was this same place. If you look closely here, look at what the market did. It came here, gave us this candlestick confirmation. Or in normal, seeing this candlestick confirmation, you can jump in here. The stop loss below this way, 14 pips. Your take profit this high here. The next level here, which is 28 pips. This is just like 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You're risking 14 pips to gain like 20 to 30 pips. Very easy. Maybe because of the way the trend line played out here. But I'll go in to look for more examples of how this trend line strategy works. The market has been crazy for a long time, yeah. Just looking for good examples to show you guys how this really look. Okay, I think we'll have one here. So look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. So for me, you can decide to draw from the body of the candle to another body here. So you can see here, the market didn't get to this point. It just sold. You get. So sometimes the market might not get to the third touch. Sometimes it gets to it. But if I want to make it something like this way actually makes sense. Drawing it this way, drawing it this way, you could see, yeah, the market had the first touch here, second touch here, then on the third touch, it didn't give any sell confirmation. That's why you see the market just broke the trend line and went up. So for me seeing this, and I'm using this trend line strategy, and I'm seeing this kind of confirmation here, I'll enter here. My target is this first point, which is point B, or the first point, which is point A. And my stop loss is always below the candlestick here. Very easy. You can see when the market went up, if you went to take out the second and the first point, you just took it out before reversing back down. So that's why it's not like anytime you see the market coming to the third touch, you just want to like jump in and sell or buy. You wait for candlestick confirmation because right here, because of the third touch, you say, okay, let me sell. The market is already at the third touch, let me sell. No, you have to wait for candlestick confirmation before you actually buy or sell. Because right here, had it been you sold this market, you definitely lose because you didn't have any confirmation here for you to, okay, let me sell this market. You just sold blindly. So another example here. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back more. GBP USD has some crazy though. Actually, I don't trade this pair. So I'm just using it to show you guys strategy. So somewhere here, making sense too. So you could see here the first touch, second touch, the third touch, boom, like this. So if you're gonna buy on this type of situation, you have to wait for this candle to close. Your stop loss below, that's like 23 pips. The take profit next high, like this. Just look out for the next high, which is somewhere here. Next high, like this. But when you scale down to lower time frame, like 15 minutes, you might actually get a better entry on this level, somewhere around there. Yeah, so you just have to like be very careful when you're using the trendline strategy. So remember what I said, you don't just jump in and sell blindly or buy blindly. So if the market is trending up like this, just wait on the third touch. Sorry. Okay, let me do it again now, like this. So first touch, second touch, yeah. So wait for the third touch before you buy, or you wait for the break, retest, and boom, to this next level. So if this kind of situation happens, like maybe you don't know where to put your target, or maybe you don't know where to put your take profit or so. So if this has one, two, then the third touch, it breaks like this and test. Your target should be this point A. TP1 should be point B, TP2 point A. If it breaks, if it doesn't break, like this way, if you're selling, this first, second, third, and it gives you a confirmation. You should be targeting the last high, which is this place. If it breaks below retest, you should target for the next level below. So you just have to watch out for the levels in the market. So if you have any question, you can always hit me up on my Instagram, my Telegram channel, or my WhatsApp here. Ask me any question about this trendline strategy. It's very simple, very easy. You can actually use it to like make some good profit, like 1 to 3 risk reward, 1 to 2 risk reward trading the market. So you all watch the video, subscribe. I have a lot of content coming for you guys, so you all stay tuned.